Good morning. First, introduce yourself.
My name is Neha Sanjay Kshirsagar. I live in Pune at Kothur. I am studying in FYBA in Modern College at Shivaji Nagar. I did my secondary education in Rani Lakshmibai Girls Military School. I have done my higher secondary education from Ferguson College. There are 5 members in my family, including me. My father is a farmer and my mother is a good homemaker. I have one younger brother and sister. My hobbies are playing archery, learning unique and new things. My strengths are I am honest, I have positive attitude towards my life. I give my 100% in any work. My weaknesses are I am emotional. I can't say no when someone asks me for help, and I want to become an IAS in future.
Okay, very good. Neha, as you mentioned, you want to become IAS in your future. Is there any reason behind it?
Yes, because IAS is the harder competition in the world, and it is highly paid job in our country. And IAS has many authorities to control any district. So I want that post because I want to prove myself, and also I want to get that authority to control any district, and it is respective job in the society.
That's it.
That's it.
As you mentioned that it is respective or you will get the chance to work for social or society. So how would you like to contribute for our society?
I used to all that things that are useful for society. Means all decisions of any district taken in his name. So I take good decisions for our district, and it will also useful for our nation. So I think I will do social work for our country.
Okay. So Neha, did you join any class for the UPSC?
Yes, I joined one class for UPSC.
Okay.
It is Unique Academy at Shivaji Nagar.
Very good. How are you preparing for UPSC?
I am reading NCRT, and also I watch YouTube channel related to UPSC guidance. I also watch videos of from Study IQ and many channels. I attend lectures of experienced people in this field.
As you mentioned that you are archery player. So have you played any game for the district or for the state?
Yes, I have played many matches. I am state player. I played 5 state matches.
Okay.
I have 2 gold medals, 3 silver medals in state matches.
Okay. How was the experience about archery?
It was good, and it is very unique game. Nobody knows about this game. So there is too much career opportunities in this game. There is very less competition.
Okay.
And girls are very few in this field. So there is no competition, and I have many chances to play for our nation.
Okay. So basically, where are you from?
I am from Pune.
Okay. Could you explain about the Pune, please?
Yes, Pune is an IT hub, and it is also famous for education. There is no competition to the education of Pune. It is also cultural city. It has historical background. Shivaji Maharaj's childhood was gone in this city.
Okay.
There are many forts and many places where we can go and watch that places. Pune is very beautiful city and very peaceful life available in Pune city. So everyone want to live in Pune.
So my next question is, what do you like the most in the Pune city?
I like culture of Pune. I like behavior and mentality of people in Pune. They are very mature and positive attitude of their life. They are very ambitious towards their career,
Okay.
and it is very famous city. So I like their culture, food, because all type of food available in Pune. South Indian, uh, Pune, Maharashtrian, all types of food is available. So I like that.
Very good. Okay. If means in this situation, or we can say at this scenario, we know the traffic issue of the Pune. So what do you think? Pune means what are the problems Punekar are facing right now?
Yes, traffic problem is the big issue that Punekar face. Because I experience this in everyday life. I go to college by my bike.
Okay.
So I have to face this problem every day because nobody follow traffic rules. There are also police don't allow or punish them for their mistakes. Nobody follows signal, uh, and also they try to overtake other people. So it happen there is traffic jams, and roads are also very narrow in Pune city because parking issues is the big issue in Pune city. Parking is beside road, so that very less place is for running vehicles
Yes.
is available.
Okay. So my next question is, you go to college, right? So
Yes.
how do you enjoy your college life?
Every day I go with my friend for visit different things in Pune.
Okay.
Like I go to Khadakasla. On weekends I go to Sihagarh Fort. And also I try various dishes. I visit unique cafes in Pune. And also I participate in competitions that held by our college.
Okay.
And my friends are also very good, so I spend most of time with them.
Okay. So apart from UPSC classes and the college, which extra activities do you do every day?
I play archery,
Okay.
and also I read different types of books,
Okay.
and I
Okay.
communicate with various types of people.
Okay. Which book have you read recently? Could you explain, please?
Recently I read Man Mein Hai Vishwas by
Okay.
Vishwas Nagre Patil. It is very motivational book for me.
We have mentioned some group discussion topic, so we are going to have discussion on those topics. Please select one sheet. Okay. The topic is pollution causes change in the climate. Okay. Did you get the topic?
Yes.
Okay. So we will start the topic. What do you think? What are the main causes of the pollution we are facing now?
There are so many causes of pollution, but main cause of pollution on climate is acid rain.
Okay.
When rainwater is mixed with smoke of burning coal or another fossil fuels, it releases waste gases, and it will mixed with water, and it causes rain, acid rain,
Okay.
and it is very harmful for human life. This is the main climate change caused by pollution. Another is frost-free period is lengthened. Before some decades, plants or crops take 2 months for growing, but nowadays it lengthened, and crops need 4 months for growing.
Okay.
So growing period of crops is lengthened day by day. So it is the main climate change.
Okay. As we know that there are three types of pollution. Okay. So could you explain us please one by one which are the types of pollutions?
There are air pollution, water pollution, and noise pollution.
Yes.
Air pollution is caused by vehicles, um, gas released by burning fuels,
Yes.
and also many chemical factories release harmful gases. It also causes air pollution.
So Neha, what are the reasons behind the water pollution?
In rural area, women uh, wash their clothes beside the river.
Yes.
Also, men wash their cattle in river water. And Medesi areas, they leave their wastewater in river.
Yes.
So it causes water pollution. Many people throw their garbage in river water. So there are many reasons behind water pollution.
So Neha, what are the reasons behind the voice pollution? Could you explain us please?
Yes, there are many festivals and occasions in India. In that occasions, people play DJ systems and sound systems. Government give them some limits, but they don't follow that limits and they go behind that limits. So it causes noise pollution. And also in traffic, people use unnecessary horns. It also causes noise pollution. Sometimes people speak loudly and they quarreling with each other, so it causes noise pollution.
Neha, as you know, Delhi is most polluted city in the India. So could you explain us please what is the situation of Delhi?
Yes, definitely Delhi is very polluted city in India because the population of Delhi is too much high.
Yes.
So because of population, number of vehicles also very high. So it causes air pollution through vehicles, and people use unnecessary vehicles. They don't use public vehicles. Everyone use private vehicles. So it causes air pollution. And in Delhi there are many industries are present. So they release harmful gases and chemical through the air.
Yes.
So it causes pollution.
My next question is what should Delhi's government do for the controlling pollution?
They make some strict rule for people and they have to punish them for their mistakes. They allow traffic police to punish people who break traffic rules, and they should increase number of vehicles, government vehicles. That's why people will not use private vehicles and they use government vehicles or public transport.
Yes.
And it decreases pollution.
Okay. So Neha, what is the role of tree to control pollution?
Trees play an important role to control pollution because trees absorb carbon dioxide from air and they release oxygen to air, and they also maintain underwater level of the water, and it is very useful for environment because every animal or every living being is dependent on trees, so they play very important role.
Okay. So as we know, India is leading the pollution. So my next question is, what should we do from our side to control pollution?
We should plant many trees. Also, we control pollution in our level. Like we use public transport
Yes.
instead of private. We avoid to throw garbage in public areas or in river. We also aware people about don't do pollution, and we take many campaigns, and we also take part in many campaigns like cleanliness, and we help others.
Okay. As we know that because of pollution, ozone layer is decreasing day by day. So my next question is, what is the importance of ozone layer for the world?
Ozone layer control the ultraviolet rays. It controls harmful rays that comes from sun. It is very useful for us. Without ozone layer, we can't get sunlight or necessary sunlight, because nowadays ozone layer is depleting because of pollution, and ultraviolet rays directly come on earth through that holes, and it causes skin diseases like ulcer and many skin diseases. So it is very harmful for to duplicating ozone layer.
Okay. So as we know that because of pollution, glacier is melting. So if glacier get melted, so what will be the impact of glacier melting in the world?
Yes, nowadays because of pollution, global warming or world temperature increasing day by day. That's why ice is melting, and it increases water level. If water level increasing day by day, all land go under water, and all earth destroy.
Okay. So as we know that because of pollution, the season is changing. So my next question is, why it occurs?
Yes, nowadays prediction pattern is changed because of pollution. Like we see before some decades, there was 4 months rainy season, 4 months summer season. But nowadays in rainy season, there is too much rain, and some places are there is drought, means very long time there is no rain, and in summer season there is too much temperature or very high temperature, so it is changed because of pollution.
Okay. So my next question is, do you think that because of pollution we are facing natural disasters?
Yes, of course, we face natural disaster because of pollution. Like we see before some months, there was a flood in Kolhapur,
Yes.
and it destroyed their everyday life. It destroyed uh, everything, many animals and uh, people killed in that flood. And some places like Vidarbha or Marathwada, there is no rain. And earthquake also happens because of pollution. In ocean, there is intensity, density or frequency, and also duration of hurricanes increases day by day because of pollution.
Okay. So now we are going to discuss some other topic. So please select other topic. The topic is impact of technology on jobs. So my question is, could you explain what is the technology in brief?
Of course, technology are those things that reduce our work, means machines are technology. One machine can do many people's work at one time. It reduces time, and also it reduces mistakes in that uh, field or any product. Machines or technology is artificial thing that created by human.
Okay. So how technology plays an important role in the human life?
We everyday life nowadays in everyday life we use technology, means every person use mobile phone. Without mobile phone we can't survive, because every work we do on our mobile phone. We call anywhere, any person within seconds.
Yes.
We do difficult calculation in 1 second, and also computer used by companies or in school or every field. They work many peoples do all things like uh, PowerPoint. We can send email through computer. We search any information on Google. Also, we chat face to face through video calling, and we can do anything through computer
Okay.
and technology.
Okay. Apart from computer and mobile, which technology do we use in our daily life?
Uh, we use home appliances.
Okay.
It is also technology.
Yes.
We use washing machine for washing clothes.
Yes.
We use laptop. We use TV, or we can use many appliances, or we used many appliances in day-to-day life like fan, cooler, AC, and oven, fridge, refrigerator. There are so many.
Yes. So, how human life becomes easy because of technology?
Technology, because of technology, it is very easy to save many information in computer. Like in schools, they store all data about student in computer. In bank, it is easy to withdraw or deposit money through ATM machines. There is no need to stand in queues. It saves our time. We can withdraw money within seconds. Also, we pay online in anywhere. We send money or we send anything through online transactions. And also, we communicate with our colleagues, friends who are in foreign within minute. We send them important emails or documents. It is very useful, or it makes our life easier, because we do many complicated calculations within second through
Yes.
our mobile. We get any information through Google, and we also start our business from our home because of technology. And production also easier, because one machine makes many things. Means one person only make one thing at any time, one time.
Yes.
But machine can make lots of things at one time, so it is easier for us.
What is your experience about Speak Fast English Academy?
Before joining this class, it was not possible for me to speak in English. I had to face many problems because of English. When first time I came to class, Sudhir sir asked me very basic questions, but I was not able to give that answers. After joining this class, it increases my confidence and also increases my vocabulary. Now I speak all this only because of Speak Fast Academy. Thanks to the Sudhir sir who gave me this opportunity to learn very well English, and in future I hope I speak fluent English. Thank you.